What's going on, you guys? Random Vince here, and today it's a special day. Today, I'll just grab it like this. We got steak. Got some homemade fries that I made. Seasoned to perfection. And I got some A1 steak sauce. Got some Texas sweet tea here. Let's get into this. It's windy outside. It's amazing. Got a cool front coming in tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon. Amazing. Got a little fry on there. We're gonna make a baked potato, but this will do. Look at the fries, man. Yeah, I'm recording. Okay. It's hard to see my face because the timer's up there. Like butter. Got a sunset happening right now. Everything's beautiful right now. I wish I would have made more fries though. That I do wish. That I do wish. There you go. Man, you can't beat some A1 sauce, and I think it's a sirloin. Well done. I'll eat medium rare. I mean medium well, but well done today. Oh, I'm eating like an animal right now. First meal of the day. It's like freaking 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Enjoying some meat outside. A couple of chews and it's done. Watch out, flies. It's a woodpecker, I think. Looks like a woodpecker. No. Hey, a good medium, a good steak, if you overcook it, I don't want to say overcook it, babe. A good steak, if you make it well done, it's gonna be good, dude. Yeah, this is beautiful. Beautiful char. Well, beautiful char. Oh. That's amazing. Hear the chickies in the background. Not eating you today. Should have got a knife instead of a butter knife. But it still cuts. I wonder if I give him a piece of meat. Yeah, I could eat like 3 of these. Oh, so good. I wish I would have had like a big old baked potato salad. Last bite. Let's get it all up in there. Choo. Mmm. That was amazing. Cheers. Oh, that was a quick one, but it was delicious, nutritious. That's all I got. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm back, baby. I'm back. And yeah, I'm back. That's all I gotta say. Beautiful weather. Gorgeous weather outside. Gonna rain tomorrow. It's gonna be a nice cool front coming in. Let's get it going. I love you guys. Random Vince is out. That's freaking awesome.